Meaning of fishing rod.
Fishing rod.
Fishing rod.
Fishing rod.
Fishing rod. A fishing rod is a long, flexible pole used to catch fish. It typically consists of a handle, a reel, and a line attached to a hook or lure. The angler casts the bait or lure using the rod and then reels it back in to catch fish. Different types of fishing rods are designed for catching different types of fish and in different environments, such as freshwater or saltwater. A well-designed fishing rod allows the angler to feel when a fish bites, providing an exciting and rewarding experience.